Do you love yummy donuts? Today, we are going to draw a super cute donut together.
Yay!
It's easy and fun.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big circle in the middle. Nice and round. Great job! Now, draw a small circle inside the big circle. This is the donut hole. Next, draw a wavy line inside the big circle. This will be the yummy icing. Now, draw some small rectangles all over the top. These are colorful sprinkles. Nice job, everyone. Our donut drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Whoa, it's looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's make our donut super colorful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
So yummy and bright. Amazing work, little artists. Your donut looks so delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub.
Hey kids! Do you love yummy cakes? Today, we are going to draw a super cute and colorful strawberry cake. First, let's draw a strawberry on top of the cake. Make it small and cute. Now, under the strawberry, draw some fluffy cream. Make it look soft and wavy like whipped cream. Great! Now draw the top layer of the cake under the cream. Make it nice and smooth. Now, draw 3 small strawberries under the cake layer. Wow, it's looking delicious already. Let's add more cream under those strawberries. Now, draw the bottom layer of the cake, nice and thick. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Show your color pens and let's begin. Red color.
Wow!
color. Cream color. Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow, your cake looks so colorful and yummy. Well done, little artists. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub.
Hey, little artists! Do you love ice cream? Today, we are going to draw a super yummy ice cream together. Let's draw a rounded rectangle in the middle of the page. Great job! This is the body of our ice cream. Now, at the bottom, draw a small handle or stick. Next, draw 2 tall rectangles inside the ice cream. These will make it look extra yummy and fun. Now draw some small lines and shapes for decoration. You can make it look however you like. Finally, let's make it look 3D and realistic by adding a few extra lines on the sides. Wow, it looks so cool already. Nice job, everyone. Now let's go over the lines again and make the outline bold and sharp so it really pops.
La da 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 dee.
Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Brown color.
Wow!
Maroon color. Pink color. Cream color. Red color. Wow, your ice cream looks so delicious and colorful. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep practicing and keep drawing.
Hello, little artists. Do you love yummy hot chocolate? Today, we are going to draw a cute cup of hot chocolate together. First, draw a big U-shaped cup, nice and smooth. Now, draw a handle on one side of the cup. Great job! Let's draw some cube-shaped marshmallows on top. 1, 2, 3. So cute! Now draw a swirl-shaped cream on the marshmallows. Wow, looks yummy! Draw a candy cane on one side of the cup, curvy and fun. Now let's make it cute. Draw 2 tiny eyes and a smiling mouth on the cup. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's name the colors together. Red color.
Wow!
Yellow color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Cream color. Blue color. Chocolate color. Pink color. Purple color. Dark pink color. Light cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Light blue color. Wow, awesome coloring! Great job, little artists! Your hot chocolate drawing looks amazing. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling.
Hey, little artists! Do you want to draw a cool and yummy lemonade drink today? It's super easy and so much fun. Let's go. First, draw a big U shape. This will be our lemonade glass. Now draw a small base at the bottom of the glass, so it can stand nicely. Let's add a straw on top. Draw a long line going up and bend it a little at the top. Now draw a lemon slice on the side of the glass. Make it a small circle with little lines inside. Now draw a curved inner line inside the glass. This shows the lemonade inside. Nice job, everyone! Our lemonade glass drawing is complete. Now go over your drawing and make the outline bold and sharp. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. Let's color together. Green color. color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Light red color. Blue color. Purple color. So bright and beautiful. Great job, little artists. You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you next time.
Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw a cute coconut drink. It's super easy and fun.
Yay!
First, draw a straw. Make a long line and bend it at the top. Great job! Now, let's draw a big round shape under the straw. This is our coconut, nice and smooth. On one corner of the coconut, draw a small, cute flower. Add simple petals around a tiny circle. So pretty! Now, draw a wavy line across the top part of the coconut. Awesome! Let's make it cute. Draw two big eyes and a small smiling mouth. Aw, so adorable! Nice job, everyone! Our coconut drink drawing is complete. Now go over your drawing and make the outline bold and sharp to make your artwork pop. Wow, that looks amazing, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens and let's begin. Pink color. Green color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Cream color. Red color. Yellow color. Light green color. Beautiful coloring. Well done! Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, little artists.
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.